Yeah, hello guys. Today actually I will going to tell you step by step how the Ionic can work to build both web application as well as mobile application. Okay, so I will not give much introductions. Hope you guys know a little bit about Angular. So that is the basic criteria to learn the Ionic. So hope there will be many tutorial from where you can learn how the Angular works. So here actually I will directly go to Ionic. So for Ionic application, to run the Ionic application, what we need to do? So first we need to install the Ionic globally. So you can see here the Ionic framework docs/CLI. This is the link from where you will get this npm install -g Ionic CLI. This we need to install, but prior to that we need to install Node.js. So if you have, so this is my machine is Ubuntu machine. So if you want to install it into Windows machine, so you can install it from download sections. Here Windows installer, Mac OS. If you are using Mac, then Mac installer. If you are using Linux, then Linux installer. If it is 64-bit, then download these sections. Okay, so this is necessary because all the package.json file we needed for all the library to added, we need the Node.js, okay, to be installed in our machine. So let's go to step by step. Okay, so first, suppose I have created a folder learn Ionic in desired in the folder locations. You can go your desired, you can just create your desired folder locations and go to there and just run this command. Okay, so in npm, as in my case the Node.js I have installed already. So prior to that actually I have installed the Node.js through nvm. So you can use nvm or no, or you can directly install the Node.js. So 1 minute, I am doing my setup. So then actually you need to run this command. Okay, so this command you need to run. So actually I have already installed it, so I am ignoring this part. Okay, so it will take a little bit of time for you. So okay, so once it is installed, then just run Ionic start. Okay, so it will give you these options. Okay, so if you want to build a project into Angular, then choose this or choose React. So actually here we are going to build the project in Angular. So if you choose React, then you can also choose the React part, but here we will learn Angular. Okay, going to Angular now. Project name, so project name LEARNING, learning, see, learning Ionic. Okay, so here look, here all those part, tab, side menu, blank, list, first tab, conference, these are the part is actually from Ionic. You will get some inbuilt coding if you choose any one of them. So actually we will learn from step by step. Okay, so for that only I will choose blank. So we will go through all the details one by one. So if you follow this tutorial, then definitely you will understand how all those different tabs and list, conference and side menu are, how we can add this through coding. Okay, so that part we can understood. So here I can choose blank. Okay, so look, it will take some time, so I'm just pausing the video, and once it is done I will upload it. Okay, I will once this video yeah, it will take some time. Okay guys, so here actually it is completed. So one thing I just want to tell you here, at the time of downloading this, yeah, project template, okay, here actually once where it is, that is 1 minute. here look, it will ask for integrate your new app with capacitor and target native iOS Android. Yes, because here actually the capacitor actually prior to this is we are doing with Angular Ionic 5. So actually prior to that we use Cordova, but in our tutorial we will learn capacitor. So we will do the mobile application build with capacitor. So integrate your new app with capacitor and target native, so that is yes. Okay, so my applications is running. Okay, so this part is complete. Now to run the application, actually we need to do this Ionic ACRVE Ionic serve. Okay, so sorry, actually I have running another part, so let me fix that. I will come back. Oh, here actually it is showing that it is only a project directory. Actually I have, look here, learning Ionic. So this is actually CDLEARNI learning Ionic. Okay, as I have selected the project name here, learning Ionic, so that's why it is came as learning Ionic. Okay, so now IONIC Ionic SERV Ionic serve. Okay, so look here, it is running port 8101. Actually I have another applications running in port 8100, otherwise in by default actually it came as 8100, but in my case actually it is coming 8101 as another part, another applications from my end. Actually it is running here, so 8100. Okay, so that's why it takes the new port 8101. So just give few minutes. Fantastic. So you can see here that the application is built and automatically it okay, so automatically it runs. Okay, so from here you can see it is blank home and ready to UI component. This is our blank applications. Okay, just inspect this to check the mobile view, how in mobile it will look like. Here is the mobile sign, you can see that toggle device toolbar here. So just click here. Look, in mobile device also, in as a mobile device it is looks good actually. Right, it is responsive mode. You can check any mode, Moto G4, Galaxy S5, Pixel 2 XL, according to the size of the phone. You can check this iPhone SE. Look, so suppose it is now, let me check it as responsive. Okay, so you can check that this is the first blank applications we have built. Okay, so now let's go through one by one. Yeah, another point I just want to mention, you need to install that Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now let's go to our projects which we have just created. Open new window. So sorry, from file, open folder personal, there is learn Ionic, then learning Ionic. Okay, so actually this is this is the applications which I have created, and you can see, you can check here that all the various icons are there, right? So actually I have installed. Here you need to search extensions. The extension you need to search Angular Essentials. Okay, and you need to install that. The Angular installed is Angular Essentials. I have already installed this. look here, it is showing uninstall options. So once you click it, search here Angular Essentials, ANGULAR, Angular ESSENTIALS, Angular Essentials. Okay. Sorry. So through Angular Essentials you can just install it. So when you install it, you can see this colorful icon here. Okay, and it will also help at the time of development of the application, at the time of development also. Okay, another things you need to install, so that is material icon theme. So this also you can this also you just install. I have already installed it. So if you want to get the same look as my application is, just make sure that you have installed that Material Ionic theme. Okay, so in this video I am doing only this part. So here you can just check that all the project structure is mainly of Angular, and how the Ionic is connected with this, and how we need to do with this Angular project. Just follow my second tutorial. Okay, so bye, see you in my next tutorial.